What's up guys, this is Joe again and we are here back with another video. We are going to try to fly this and using these Fatshark goggles to see the video feed here, and we're going to record it using this copy model, the VMR40, and we are going to record the video here. This is going to be fun because I'm not really good in flying drones like this, especially using an FPV goggles. Let's see what's going to happen. And this is also a test for this drone. I made an unboxing and a review of this drone and a sneak peek. I will post it here. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and push that bell to be notified when I upload new videos. So we're going to fly this drone now. This is going to be hard because I'm not really a FPV flyer. And I will see what's going to happen. The drone is facing there. Now I'm going to fly it. Let's play it again.
Sa dahon.
Again. Play it again. Try it again. Okay guys, we are now here back outside and I think it's a good time to fly. No people, almost zero gust of wind, so we are now going to fly this drone. And I have tested it with these Fatshart goggles and I'm having a hard time flying it. And we are going to see if it's a wide place, if I am going to be good in flying it this time. Now the drone is ready. We're going to hit record. Okay. there you have it, guys. It's fun flying this drone, and I'm not really good in flying FPV. So that's it for the first timer, and for beginner, great drone. If you want, this is going to be a good practice for FPV flying. That's it for now, guys. Joe here. Thanks for tuning in. Have a nice day.